Microwave panel replacement. Make sure you unplug it. You need to pull out these screws, take off the grill, then we'll access the panel. You pull all 4 screws out, this piece is going to go over and then pop out. This one just pops straight out. Some of them you'll see little grooves here and they have to move to the left. That will let you get to this screw for the panel. Panel is then going to lift up. We're then going to disconnect all the wires, melt the panel off. Cable, this piece pulls up, this slides out. You'll see there's a couple little connections. Sometimes they'll get caught up. And we're going to remove the screws, remove the board. The old panel, new panel. I'm gonna move this piece over. There's a clip here, clip here, clip here. You just gotta get bent out a little bit. This one just gets pushed in. This piece is gonna come off. Transfer it over. Feed the cable through, be careful with it. Put the right side in first, then the left. Snap this guy down. Take these pieces, pin them underneath so that they fit. Then we're going to put the board. Top in first, slide it down, and you can see the screw holes line up. There, 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 there. We're going to put those screws in and move on. Ribbon cable, slide it down all the way. Push this guy down to lock it in place. It should be even. If it's cockeyed, panel's not going to work. We're then going to reconnect all the wires and put the keypad back on. After you get all the wires back into place, these little pieces are going to go into those holes. So the keypad, so we get a good look at that. So I'm going to slide in there. There we go. Once they're in place, you're gonna slide down, and this hole will line up right here, and the door will line up. Put that screw back in, put the grill back on. Here's the grill, these little pieces to go right in there, and then it'll line up with those holes. You need to make sure you do that all the way across. See how it's not popping up? Damage it a little bit. And then make sure this is even. And you're gonna put the screws back in. Plug the machine back in. They've got their plug-in in weird place here. Usually it's just right up above the microwave. Usually it's right up here. And then going to test the keypad. Oops. Good to go.